Forgotten username recovery failed on Plum Savings Fix. If you've tried to recover your Plum Savings username and kept hitting dead ends, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because Plum now uses your registered email or phone number instead of traditional usernames. You won't believe how often guessing usernames just wastes time. Here's the step-by-step solution. Step 1. Open the Plum app or website and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email or phone number associated with your account. This is how Plum confirms your identity securely. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email or phone number, you'll need to verify your identity. Gather your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific information. Plum uses this to ensure only the rightful account owner can regain access. Step 3. After verification, follow the instructions to reset your password. Check your inbox carefully, including spam or junk folders, if the email does appear right away. Step 4. If recovery still fails, contact Plum support directly. Explain that username recovery attempts failed and provide your personal information. The support team will help you regain access safely and efficiently. Many users mistakenly assume losing a username locks them out forever, but Plum switched to email and phone-based login to improve security and simplify access. By following these steps, you'll quickly regain access. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity as needed, and you'll be back managing your Plum Savings account confidently and stress-free.